Nasdaq 100, S&P, FTSE100 and Germany 40, all of these have moved to the record levels here, while we have seen the Dow Jones trading in a range yesterday. What to expect today from these five major indices? Where to enter, where to exit, how to profit, what should be our strategy? We're going to see here with the help of charts and indicators in this one single update. We're going to analyze S&P first, Nasdaq, then Dow Jones, lastly Germany 40 and FTSE100. Also, this is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Do not miss to watch it. Subscribe, press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates. Join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we'll look into S&P here. See, S&P moved towards the next target at 67.65 and since then has retraced a little. Remember, the resistances earlier are now going to be the support here. And the 67.50, 67.40 zone is what you should watch out for. Even if you see now S&P trading below 67.45, 46 levels, you can take a sell and expect it to drop a little. Else, it is not yet showing any signs of weakness here. Look at the moves here. See these moves? Look at these three moves here. Since here it was perfectly delivering slightly higher highs and lower lows, and now again if you connect this, you can find out this is an expanding triangle. The median here right now at 67.30 zone, so it is very crucial now for S&P to breach these zones 67.30, 67.20, and if at all it trades below this, you can expect a greater dip. Else it is right now not showing any signs of bearishness. Moving averages are trading bullish. Stochastic has hit a bottom, trying to recover from the lows. The MACD is trying to cross over for a sell here, and it is delivering waves, and hence it is possible that it can continue with the downside from here. RSI has taken a dip as well. Look at 2-hour charts. What has happened on the 2-hour chart? On the 2-hour charts, after showing a reversal sign here, it has taken a dip, but it is yet to break below the support zone here. It is possible that since taking the dip, now it can move towards the highs again. The highs are now aiming towards 67.76. 67.80 zone. Possibility is there that once it trades beyond 67.60, you can look forward to 67.74, 76, or in fact higher levels here. But I will wait for it to trade beyond the yesterday's high, the all-time high levels, and then possibility will be very high that 67.74, 76 or 67.80 will be seen. Till then, you have to be careful, and yes, a dip from 67.80 cannot be denied. Moving average is trading bullish. Stochastic has taken a hit here, while the MACD crossing over at the bottom is now trading bullish, looking upwards. The RSI is placed comfortably. Coming to 3 hour, on the 3-hour charts here, look at the drop here, the retracement, the bigger drop here, the bigger rise here, and now it is also breached beyond this resistance at 67.50, trading higher. So previously the resistances are now going to be the support, and that is why I say yes, you can take a sell at 67.45, 46, but then be careful at around 67.38 and then 67.30, the most crucial one. If at all it is seen trading below 67.30, that could mean a reversal. Stochastic overbought, while the MACD after a retracement has crossed over again, trading bullish here. RSI is staying flat. On the 4-hour charts, you can say sideways. It is tried to now bounce back, and see it is delivering higher highs and higher lows. We have to wait for it to trade lower, possibly once it stays 67.40 mark here and 67.30 mark, more bearishness might follow, but right now it is showing bullish. Right now it is trading bullish. Stochastic overbought, MACD again crossed over for a little buy. RSI is staying flat. Coming to daily, on the daily charts, what has happened? Look at the rise here, then a significant drop is seen, and since then it is trading under this retracement channel. The highs even are now aiming towards 6800 mark here. So today's move is going to be important. A move beyond 67.65 and 67.76, 80 zone, you can expect it to move towards 6800 mark here, towards the highs. Right now it is taking the support and trying to bounce back, while at the same time today's move below 67.30 and 67.20 is what you should watch out for. Any drop below 67.30-20 mark will confirm a reversal. Remember, look at this, what has happened here. It might follow this same pattern, at least moving towards 20 period sitting at 66.80, 70 zone now. Stochastic at the top, the MACD at the top, the RSI is at the top as well. So considering, I will recommend you to buy if you now see FTSE S&P 500 trading beyond 6758 zone. You can expect 6765, and if this is taken, then I will be looking forward to 6774, 76, and then the most important one at 6780. Now staying beyond 6780, there is no looking back. 6800 should be there very soon, if not today. So be watchful. It's staying above 67, 74, 80 zone is where the bulls are waiting. You can see a stronger rise from those levels. While on the downside, where to sell? I will recommend you to sell at 67 46-44 levels, expect 67-38, 67-30, and then 67-20. If at all it decides to trade below 67-20, 6700 is the mark it would like to breach, and then 6680 should appear. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Let's move to Nasdaq 100. Tech 100 on the early chart, see these two dips, and now it has breached the highs here. Now it has moved towards the new high. Also notice it is delivering higher lows and higher highs here. The lows here are now towards 24,900. Very, very crucial now for Tech 100 to trade below 24,900, 800 zone. This is going to be the prime support here. Any drop below 24,900, 24,800 should enter, should confirm the reversal here in Tech 100, where it could take a significant hit here, while right now it is not showing any signs of weakness as of now. See, the previous resistance is 25,100 should be a support, 25,060,050 should be a support, and then 25,000 the ultimate one. Below which you can expect slight bearishness to prevail. Stochastic at bottom, while the MACD is trying to converge, it is not yet crossed over. RSI just coming out of the overbought zone here. Look at 2 hour. On the 2 hour charts, similar is the observation here. And yes, higher highs and flat base is seen. See, yes, it is showing the signs here. I will wait for it to trade below 25,100, and then possibly from those levels, see, it is showing a reversal sign as well. So this reversal sign might confirm downtrend from here, but still there are greater supports at around 25,040,60 and then 25,000 levels, below which slight bearishness might prevail. Stochastic coming out of the overbought zone, the MACD has crossed over, it is trading with divergence, staying bullish. RSI is staying at the top. Coming to 3 hour, on the 3 hour chart, similar observations here, pullback here, a swing here. Wait for it to trade below 25,100 mark, that will confirm further downside. Stochastic overbought, MACD is crossed over, MACD is looking bullish here, and it is suggestive of more rise from here. RSI at the top as well. On the 4 hour chart, similar observation, support here is, and also see it is trading in this zone and it is coming out of this zone, which is again a bullish indication here, which might take Tech 100 all the way towards 25,400 or in fact 25,500 levels. You have to watch out. A move beyond 25,200 should confirm 200 and 240 is going to be the next critical zone which Tech 100 has to trade beyond, staying above which you can expect more rise. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising, RSI at top. Coming to daily chart. On the daily charts, what has happened? See, hitting the highs just outside bands here. It is now trying to show slight pullback. Actually, it is trying to stay in this zone, but once it trades beyond 25, 200, 240 today, I think there is no looking back. Once it trades beyond 25, 200, 240, we are looking forward to 25, 400 and 25, 500 mark as well. Yes, it might move towards these levels, staying beyond 25, 200, 240. You have to watch out today's move. Else, any drop below 25,000 is the only confirmation of bearishness. See the median here, and 24,800 to 25,200, and now the median at 25,000. So it is very crucial for Tech 100 to trade below 25,000 for any signs of bearishness, and then you can expect 24,900 and 24,800. Remember, look at the move here. It has already retraced. It might try to move towards 20 period soon, but right now it is not showing such signs. Stochastic overbought, MACD is at the top, RSI overbought here. So considering what you should do, I will recommend you to buy only if you see it is staying beyond 25,200 mark and expect 25,240. If at all it trades beyond 25,240, stay bullish for 25,330 and 25,400. Beyond 25,400, it's 25,500 levels here. But never to mention it is definitely staying overbought. It may call for a pullback, and thus where to sell. And before I provide you the selling levels, if you're willing to learn this art of trading, be a part of my mentorship batch. 35th batch, dates are announced. Register yourself now. Reach out to me for queries. And if you're just willing to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or Telegram for your queries. Those looking forward to a trusted partner, which offers you SWIFT-free account, lowest spreads, no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. The selling entries are now at 25,100 levels with the support at around 25,060, 25,040, the first target zone, 25,000, 24,975 the second, and if these two are taken, expect 24,900. Below 24,900 is where you can expect 24,850 and 800. Now ideally below 24,800 is where the reversal confirmation towards 24,600 and lower levels should arrive but right now it is not showing such signs. Trade accordingly. Let's move to Dow. US30, if you look at, see, I had mentioned yesterday as well, for any kind of bullishness it has to trade above 46,900. For any kind of bearishness it has to trade below 46,400. Right now it is trading in this 500 points zone. Look at these moves here, though every rise offsets with a retracement, but I do see this as consolidation as well. So if you even see it is staying below 46 500 levels today, you can take a sell from there and expect 46,400. Any drop below 46,400, do not think of buying US30. It is going to correct sharp. Moving averages have crossed over. This is indeed a bearish sign. Stochastic is at bottom. The MACD and RSI have also taken a good hit here. Look at 2 hour charts here. The moving averages 5 and 20 period has crossed over. Lower highs, lower lows are seen. Even if you see it is staying below 46,540, take a sell for 46,500, 450, 400. Till 46,400, do not treat this as bullish. Also notice, if you just eliminate the noise, you will find a bearish channel with the lows at 46,400. And if at all it trades below 46,400, it's going to correct sharp. Stochastic at bottom, the MACD bearish, the RSI has taken a good hit. On the 3 hour chart, similar observation here, drop, retracement, drop, and see it is staying sideways. It has to come out of this box. And see the larger zone between 46,900 to 46,400, the more controlled one is at 46,800 to 46,500. So 300 to 500 points zone here it is, which you have to be cautious of. Look at the 3 hour charts, the drop sideways movement and then the drop. It is very crucial for US30 to trade below 46,500. Stochastic has taken a hit, MACD bearish, RSI flat here. On the 4 hour charts, and you see similar is the observation, though I can see slight negative bias here, slight downwards bias here, but again 46,500, 450, 400. It has to break in order to confirm a complete reversal. Stochastic has taken a hit, the MACD bearish, the RSI bearish here. Coming to the daily. On the daily charts, notice one bigger bearish move, couple of consolidation candles here. You can see lower highs, higher lows. We have discussed this, that it is staying in the zone. You have to be cautious of this. Today it is starting off again on the downside. Now it is pretty crucial for US30 to trade below 46,500, 400. Now what will happen once it trades below 46,500, 400? It is going to deliver similar size of candle, which should take it towards 46,300 and in fact 46,200. And any drop below 46,200 will confirm a greater correction. Notice this, it is staying in this channel, the lows of the channel somewhere here at around 46,300, 200 mark, below which it should correct sharp. Stochastic has taken a hit, the MACD is just crossing over, almost staying flat. RSI has taken a hit here. So looking at this, what you should do? First, the buying entry is now at 46,660 levels. Expect 46,740, 46,800, and then 46,900. Now this is a crucial number. Staying beyond 46,900 is stay bullish for 47,100 plus levels. I do not expect such a move though, but yes, these are markets. Breaking beyond 46,900 is stay bullish. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 46,540. Expect 46,500, 450, and 400. Below 400 is where you can expect another 100 points here and then another 100 points here. Below 46,200, you will get 200 points towards 46,000 low and lower levels here. So take your trades and positions accordingly. Now let's move to Germany 40. DAX, if you look at it, has moved close to the all-time high levels. Rather, it has breached this 24,650 levels and now taken a hit here. Though you can see it is still staying with higher lows, higher highs. Very crucial for the DAX to trade below 24,550 and 500 zone. This is going to be the prime support, and 24,450 the ultimate one. Any drop below 24,500, 450 should confirm the reversal here. Now see this, highs, retracement, support, highs, and if at all it decides to fall from here and trades below 24,450 levels, we are entering into a greater correction territory. Stochastic at bottom, the MACD has crossed over for sell. RSI has taken a hit here. On the 2 hour chart, similar observation, rise, sideways movement, rise. It can possibly come back towards this zone, 24,450, 400. Stochastic looking down, the MACD is trying to converge crossover for sell. RSI coming out of the overbought zone. On the 3 hour chart, similar observation. See, after forming a peak, it has tried to reverse, but right now the 5 period moving average offering it a support. In fact, even if you see it is staying below 24,540, take a sell for 24,500. 24,500, 450, 400, 350, very crucial supports here on the downside. Stochastic looking downwards, the MACD is trying to converge crossover, RSI just coming out of the overbought zone. On the 4 hour charts, rise, retracement, and rise. This is a breakout journey. and thus now 24 400 350, very very crucial for the Germany 40 to trade below. Stochastic overbought, MACD almost flat, RSI just coming out of the overbought zone here. Coming to the daily, on the daily chart, similar observation, rise, retracement and a breakout move. And today a move beyond 24,650, you have to just stay bullish from there and expect it to move towards 24,712 and then 24,780 levels. And then in fact it would like to trade beyond 25,000 very very soon. Right now I'll say too early to jump onto that conclusion. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising, RSI at the top here. So yes, mixed indication right now, and thus for the buying entries, I will recommend you to wait for 24,650. Expect 24,712, 24,780, and then 24,900, 25,000 has to be there very, very soon here. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell at 24,540 levels. Expect 24,500, 24,450, 400. Staying below 24,400, I think we are ready for a good round of drop towards 24,300, 24,100, and then in fact 23,800 levels very very soon. Let's see which direction it trades today. Let's move to FTSE 100. See FTSE 100 hitting the highs beyond 9560 9580 levels. It has now taken a huge hit. It has erased all the gains since yesterday. See, this was the breakout zone. It has come towards the breakout zone and now trading with the support at 9480 9460 zone. Any drop below 948060 should confirm a greater correction on the downside. As long as 948060 is not taken, you have to be careful with the sells. Stochastic oversold, MACD sharply bearish, RSI is trying to bounce back. Look at 2 hour charts, what it has done, it has moved towards the 50 period, trying to retrace here. Now again on the upside, 9560 is the zone it has to trade beyond in order to confirm bullishness. Stochastic has dropped, the MACD crossed over for sell, RSI flat. On the 3 hour chart, see a flat top is seen. Despite the highs here, you can see now it is going to be difficult for FTSE 100 to trade beyond 9560. And I do not see it breaking this wall soon. On the downside, it is also equally important for it to trade below 948060. Stochastic looking down, MACD crossed over for sell, RSI comfortably placed here. Look at 4 hour charts, similar observation, flat top, support here on the downside. So 9460 94560 is the zone we have to be careful of. Yes, indicators are trading bearish as of now. Coming to daily, on the daily charts, you can see higher lows here, higher highs here. It has erased all the gains since yesterday. It is very crucial for FTSE 100 to trade below 9460, and that will in fact confirm a greater reversal. Stochastic bearish while the MACD is bullish and the RSI is also trading slightly overbought. So now again, yes, if you see it is staying beyond 9520, you can buy, but then 9536, 9550 and 9560. Staying above 9560 is where the bulls are waiting. You can expect 9580 and higher levels. I do not expect such a move. Yes, the highs are done, possibly it appears so. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 9495. Expect 9480, 9470 and 9460. Below 9460, stay bearish. You are looking at 9420 and 9380 mark very very soon. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session with more updates. Do watch that as well. Thank you.